In this video, I will show you how to replace the rain sensor on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. The rain sensor is mounted directly to the inside of the windshield behind the interior rear view mirror. It detects moisture on the windshield and automatically controls the windshield wipers when the wiper switch is set to the auto position. To access the sensor, we will first have to remove the plastic cover located behind the rear view mirror. Start by tilting the mirror downward to create more working space. In the center of this cover is a small removable panel. Place your finger between the headliner and the upper edge of the panel and pull it outward, and it will unclip from the larger cover. Remove the panel and set it aside. Next, remove the large cover. At the top of the cover, just below the headliner, there are retaining tabs on both sides. Pull one upper corner outward towards the door to release the first tab. Then move to the opposite side and pull outward again to release the second tab. Once both upper tabs are free, grab the cover from the bottom and pull it outward to release the lower clips. With the cover loose, slide it downward and remove it from the mirror assembly. With the cover removed, you will now have access to the rain sensor mounted against the windshield. Locate the electrical connector attached to the sensor. To disconnect it, push the connector slightly upward while pulling it straight out at the same time. Once the connector is disconnected, you can move on to removing the sensor itself. The rain sensor is enclosed in a metal jacket, which is secured to a plastic mounting bracket attached to the windshield. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool like this one to release the metal retaining tabs on the sides. Once the tabs are released, remove the sensor from the windshield mounting area. Here is a close-up of the rain sensor. This is the part number. While handling the rain sensor, be careful not to touch the sensing surface. Keep the sensor and the area of the windshield where it mounts clean and free of dust, dirt, fingerprints, and other contaminants. Any debris trapped between the sensor and the windshield can affect the sensor's performance and cause the automatic wipers not to work properly. Now take your replacement rain sensor and position it onto the mounting bracket. Make sure it sits flat against the windshield and is properly aligned with the sensor pad. Press the metal tabs into the bracket until the retaining tabs lock into place. Reconnect the electrical connector. Push it in until it clicks. Now reinstall the large cover. Slide it upward into position around the mirror stem. Then snap the lower and upper retaining tabs back into place. Next, reinstall the small center cover and press it in until it clicks into the larger cover. Once everything is reassembled, switch the ignition on and test the rain sensor. Move the wiper switch to the auto position and spray water onto the windshield in front of the sensor. The wipers should activate automatically and adjust their speed according to the amount of water detected on the glass. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WeJoin for more DIY automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching.